Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a goodie for you. It's Sam's Bead Box for the month of June 2022 and it's called Summer of Fun. So excited. I loved the last box that he sent us. So let's start by opening this one up and seeing what we have here. Hello, Mag, my little doggy, was just walking through. Let me start with a little thing of Skittles. I think Sam must have a sweet tooth because he always sends a little bit of candy for us. Okay. So, let's see. Summer fun. It says, growing up, I was always game for a creative summer camp. At Arts and Crafts Camp, I remember carving custom stamps for printmaking. At cooking camp, we dreamed up theme menus. In high school, I went up to Vancouver several times for an opera camp where we put on entire concerts and enjoyed the gorgeous city. I loved each of these creative spaces. Looking at what I'm doing now, it's cool to see that my love of cooking, music, and crafts have all stayed with me. All of this to say I have such fond memories of summertime and see it as a really creative time of my life. For this month's box, Rachel and I envisioned all of us enjoying the creativity of summer with bold retro palettes of blue, red, and amber tones. Ooh, okay. So, here is everything in the box. Now, we don't, because they do such a great job of listing everything, I don't usually go by the box. What I do is let me see if I can turn. I clean out my bead room and I feel like this lighting is not, I don't know, I might have to go back. I shot a couple videos and they seemed okay. Okay, let's see what's good. Okay, are you ready? Ooh. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at those flowers in there. Oh my gosh. Woo. So excited. Okay. I saved those Skittles for while I'm working. Have to keep my energy up here. Oh, we even got Toho round seed beads. Very cool. Okay, so I'm not going to go with the list. I'm just going to kind of, do it on my own. So Fairy Tale Tree Collection charm, 15 by 19 millimeter, 2 pieces, and a pendant, 23 and a half by 27 millimeter, 1 piece. Oh, how pretty. Oh, love the Tree of Life. Very pretty. Very well made. Okay, Candy Jade Nugget dyed, size varies, 2-piece set. Let's see what we have here. Oh. Oh, I like the shape of these. Very pretty. I can already say Sam's outdone himself again. Okay. Check glass faceted rondelles, fiery red crystal mix, 6 by 8 millimeter, 20-piece set. Oh, are these gorgeous? So pretty. Okay, let's stay with these. Candy Jade Pear Brio Collection die, 10 by 13, 10 times 13, 13 by 18 millimeter, 9-piece set. Oh, I see what they're saying. There's a 10 by 13 and then the rest are... Okay. And the holes up there at the... goes through the side. Up there on the top. So there's 3 of that side and then the rest Wait, that one's a little bit. Okay, so there's 2 bigger ones, 2 medium ones, and 2 babies. It's like the 3 bears. The baby bears, the mama bears, and the papa bears. So pretty. Okay, check glass hibiscus flower marigold mix, 14 millimeter 5-piece set. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Look at these beauties. Oh. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. This is going to be a blast. Next, check glass aster flower coin bronze wash turquoise 12 millimeter 6-piece set. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, the holes are right there. Very pretty. Oh, I love in this box. Check glass shield blue red silk mix 8 by 16 millimeter 8-piece set. Oh, how cute. They look like if you put 2 of them together, it'd be a surfboard. Oh, how cool. Boy, I'm gonna have to get my game on this month to create stuff from this box. Such beautiful pieces. Okay, and this one is the checklist coin focal opal red 19 millimeter 1-piece. Oh, this is so pretty. There's a hole right there. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, look at the ripples in there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. I'm kind of turning it. You can see that. Very pretty. Oh, look at these little ladybugs. Check glass ladybug set, 10 by 13.5 millimeter 6-piece set. Oh, how cute. Oh, how adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Adorable. Oop. Okay. Check glass turtle raspberry mix. Oh, so pretty. Look at the little turtles. Oh, how cute. Oh, don't want to drop all those. Okay. Next is checklist faceted rondelle aqua 6 by 8.5 millimeter 20 pieces. Oh, are these beautiful? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So pretty. Okay. Ooh. Checklist diagonal drilled cube amber topaz 8.5 millimeter 20-piece set. Oh, how pretty. Wow. So pretty. Okay, and this is, let me go on to here. Where was it? Toho round seed beads, opaque rainbow turquoise 11 O's. Very pretty. I'm not going to open this and take these out, but beautiful. I like the seed beads because a lot of times when I make jewelry, I use seed beads as like spacer beads, especially if you get the metallic ones. I have some really pretty metallic ones. These are pretty. magnesite octagon dyed 20 millimeter 4-piece set. So there is the hole there. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Oop. Okay. Let's see. Check glass faceted round honey amber 6 millimeter 40 pieces. Oh, beautiful. There is just so much here. I mean, just I don't even know where to start. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you could do some beautiful color combinations, or you could stay in the same and, you know, do that carnelian beads there with that, or you could just, so much to do. Okay, next is Blue Aventurine Smooth Round 8 millimeter 15-inch strand. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a nice long strand too. Okay, next is Check Glass Saucer Red Crystal 2x5 millimeter 55 pieces. Yeah, these like make perfect spacers for stuff. So pretty. Okay. Next is Check Glass Twist Oval Aqua 14 by 9 millimeter 15-piece set. Oh, look at that. Look at the twists they have on them. It's kind of like the wind, the chimes that spin in the wind. Look at that little bit of a, so pretty. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Check Glass Pressed Flower Color Varies 12 by 13.5 millimeter 5-piece mix set. Okay. Oh, how pretty. Oh. So yeah, so there's a hole at the top. So you, oh, how pretty. Look at the red one with the purplish pink kind of wash in there. So pretty. And a couple more left. Oh, butterflies. Check Glass Butterfly Silver Wash Aqua 11 by 15 millimeter 6-piece set. Oh, so pretty. There's the hole up at the top. These would make beautiful earrings. You could do like 2 earrings and then do like, this is like a little pendant, do like a little choker set with sea beads. You could, well, I wouldn't use these sea beads. Those are a little too turquoise. These are a little more of a muted blue. But yeah, you definitely could. Check Glass Long Teardrop Brio Mix Summer Joy 7 by 14 millimeter 24-piece set. Ooh. So pretty. Okay, a couple more left. This is Check Glass Table Cut Groovy Oval Tangerine Mix 9.5 by 16 millimeter 2-piece set. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And 3 more. This one is Check Glass Struck Round Opaque Turquoise 6 millimeter 33-piece strand. A nice Yeah, that'll go a little more. It's really pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So next is the check glass bursting hard focal gold wash blue 21 millimeter one piece. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, beautiful. And next, last but not least, is banded agate smooth round dyed orange 10 millimeter 7-inch strand. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So pretty. All the striations in it. So pretty. This has turned out to be such a beautiful box, as usual. Never disappointed with Sam. What a great job to just like put together bead boxes all day. that sounds like something I could definitely do. Oh, so thank you everybody for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a new channel. And let me know down in the comments if you get Sam's bead box and how you like it. I'm sure him and his sister Rachel just joined him in working with him, and looks like they're having a good time together. So you can also follow me on my links below. I have Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and Pinterest, and I will leave a link to Sam's bead box below if you're interested in ordering this. You will not be disappointed. It's totally worth the price. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope everybody is doing well, and I will see you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching.